Mathematical operations make a lot of sense on numbers, but what happens when you try to operate on strings? Well, strings generally only have one basic operation, and we call it concatenation. It's the act of adding two strings to one another, and you do so using the plus sign. You've probably seen me do this in some of the other videos. Let's say that we have a couple string variables. We'll say this one's hello, and we'll make another one that has the word world in it. Now, if I want to print out these two variables within the same println, I'm going to have to combine them, resulting in a single println, because that's all that system.out.println knows how to use. For the purposes of here on out, I'm going to use IntelliJ's shortcut for system.out.println, which is S-out, and then you hit tab. As you can see, it saves me a little bit of typing. Now, in here, I am going to set var1 plus var2. What this is going to do is it's going to take those two strings and just directly squish them together, resulting in one single string. Now that it's built, I'm going to run this. And there you can see these are directly squished together. Now, we know that there should be a space between the words hello and world. So you don't just have to use the plus sign concatenation on variables, you can use it on any strings, including literals. But you always have to have a plus sign between two strings. So in this case, we can add in a string that contains a single space, and then again add onto it the second variable. Now what I've actually done is combined three separate strings into a single resulting string using two separate concatenations. The other thing about concatenation is that any variable type plus a string results in a string. So for example, if I had system out, S out, there we go, and I say var1 plus, maybe I add a space, and then plus I can add in a bunch of numbers. Well, this is still a valid command because the numbers are going to be concatenated with the string and automatically reinterpreted as a string type. There you go, prints out no problem.